Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this stunning Porsche 992. This is the 4S Targa, finished in Crayon grey, 2021 on a 71 plate. Now this is just a one owner car from new and boasts over £15,000 worth of factory extras. So if you have a look at our previously sold, we've sold quite a few Porsches recently, a lot of 911s. But this particular one is testing my memory and knowledge on Porsche because it has these fantastic factory options that you'd look for in these vehicles. So straight away, exterior wise, we've got the full sports design package. So all the lowers of the vehicle, more aggressive styling, all in body colour, looks absolutely ace. You can tell the vehicle, it's not been raced and rallied, so it's not riddled with stone chips on the front end. But this sporty kit, you get the front lowers. This one's also got the addition of the sports design package side skirts. Believe it or not, that's a separate factory option. So going off memory, sports design pack's normally £2,800. Side steps, they're £750. And then we've got these lovely Porsche dynamic lighting system headlamps. So that's a £700 factory extra. And then when we go through to the rear, I'll show you the exclusive tail lamps. So these are also a £700 factory extra. So you've got the light band which follows all the way throughout. Sports design pack giving you the nice aggressive lower diffuser. And then obviously we're riding on the staggered wheels. So we've got 20s in the front, 21s in the back. They're finished in the satin black. That's actually £800 factory extra. We've got the satin black roll bar on this one as well, so when the roof is up it gives it a sort of convertible look, I suppose. That's also a nice thing. I think that costs around £400. Now internally, fantastic colour combination on this vehicle. So we've got the grey and the matching crayon. So lovely crayon seats. These are 14-way memory sports seats, which is a massive factory option coming in at £1,600. We've got the contrasting dashboard, contrasting steering wheel, all the uppers, contrasting stitch as well. We've got the BOSE surround sound system, that's £1,000. But it just looks absolutely ace. Obviously clock in the center there. We've got the sports chrono package, which is an absolute must and a mega factory option. I think that's around £1,700. But then looking at condition, looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, no dings. All the paintwork is very, very nice. Looking down the passenger side as well, looking at the wheels. Another option, we've got the front and rear parking sensors with full 360 cameras. But then jumping inside, we'll start the car up and we'll get the roof down. So, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 7,825 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these cars. Obviously leather multifunction steering wheel, so you've got all the controls through there. You've got your selectable driving modes. You've got this nice little screen on the dashboard. So when you're going through, you've got the screen there, satellite navigation up on there, vehicle general information, all your vehicle and fluids getting up to temp. You've got your drive select, so when you turn the wheel on the steering wheel, you can pop it into Sport Plus, pop it into individual, Sport Wet, changes the drive completely. We've obviously got automatic lights, as you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. We've got our cruise control down there, flappy paddles, but obviously these PDKs drive absolutely superb. So coming through to the centre then, satellite navigation, very easy, very responsive to the touch. We've got our BOSE surround sound system, obviously full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. You've got your car information, so you click through to drive. You've got your driving modes, spoiler, which you can put up and down, retract the spoiler. That's just a press and hold. Spoiler was retracted. Okie dokie. Clicking back through to home, you've got all your car features, so air conditioning, obviously full phone connectivity, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got our sports chrono package there, so ideal if you're looking to go on track days. Breakdown assist, weather, it's all found through there. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously gearbox, when you flick it into drive, into reverse, you've got the full 360 cameras which engage straight away. Roof operations, very easy, press and hold, only takes a matter of seconds. And it's very fascinating to watch from the outside. Obviously central armrest, 2 USB Type-C connections in there. All your handbooks. We've got the wind deflector there which pops up as well. But a very, very pretty car. Obviously one owner car from you. You'll find a lot of these do tend to pick up the ownership, but this one is a lovely, lovely example. So if you'd like any further information on this car, give us a call 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.